Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up an Excel sheet for print. Start by setting page size, orientation, margins, and print area, then preview to confirm alignment and scaling. Adjust column widths, wrap text, and use page breaks to control flow. Apply headers or footers for titles and page numbers, and save a PDF for reliable printing. Follow these steps and your worksheets will print exactly as intended. Set up layout settings early to avoid wasted paper and reprints. Choose orientation, set custom scaling, and preview how many pages your sheet will consume. Use print titles to repeat headers or first columns so readers know context on every page. Check margins and adjust column widths to prevent cut-off data, and consider exporting to PDF when sending to others to ensure consistent results across devices. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. A book I find inspiring is The Simple Path to Wealth, which can change how you think about money and planning for goals. It pairs nicely with budgeting templates you might print from Excel. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if that sounds useful, grab a copy. Now let's get back to the video. Clean formatting makes printed sheets professional and useful. Use legible fonts, adjust font sizes, and apply borders or grid lines where needed to improve clarity. Turn off background colors or heavy images that use a lot of ink and can obscure data. Also set print area and hide unused rows and columns so only relevant content prints. These small tweaks save ink, paper, and time while improving readability on paper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.